Concentric circular coils of radii R1, R2, R2 greater than R1 placed coaxially with the center coinciding. If a current I pass through the outer loop, obtain the expression for the mutual inductance. So radius is R2, R1. I amount of current flows through the outer loop. When I current flows through outer loop, then magnetic field B equals to mu naught N2 I. When I current flows through outer loop, then magnetic field B equals to mu naught into N2 into I. This is mu naught N2 is N2 divided by L into I. That is the magnetic field B2. That is the magnetic field B2. So magnetic field B2 is same as that of B1. So here B1 equals to B2 equals to mu naught N2 by L into I. So magnetic field B1 equals to B2, that is mu naught N2 by L into I. That is the magnetic field. So magnetic flux phi 1 equals to N1 B1 into A1. Phi 1 equals to N1 B1 equals to how much? Mu naught N2 by L into I into A1. So this is phi 1. Phi 1 is N1. This is B1 mu naught N2 by L into I into A1. This is phi 1. We know that phi 1 equals to how much? Phi 1 equals to M into I. So equating 1 and 2. So equating 1 and 2, M equals to how much? M equals to mu naught N1 N2 by L into A1. That is mutual inductance. So M equals to equating 1 and 2. So equating 1 and 2, M equals to mu naught N1 N2 by L into A1. That is the mutual inductance. M is the mutual inductance. So current in the solenoid decreases steadily from, this is the solenoid, current within the solenoid decreases steadily from 0.6 milliampere to 2 milliampere. Current in the solenoid decreases from 6 milliampere to 2 milliampere in 50 millisecond. So average EMF induced is 0.4 volt. Find the self-inductance. Find self-inductance. So E equals to how much? E equals to L di by dt. E equals to L di by dt. As E equals to L di by dt, L equals to how much? L equals to E divided by how much? Di by dt. E divided by di, this is dt. So E equals to how much? E equals to 0.4. dt equals to how much? dt equals to 50 millisecond. 50 10 to the power minus 3 divided by di. di is 4 milliampere. 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So solving this becomes equals to 50 into 0.1. So L value equals to how much? So 50 into 0.1, this is 5 Henry. Self inductance equals to how much? Self inductance equals to 5 Henry.